And look what I found. Sonny's Pit Barbecue. But now they just call it Sonny's BBQ. Local pit masters since 1968. And the outside appearance has changed so much. But let's go inside and grab some lunch, and I'll show you my lunch.
All the slow-smoked ribs and chicken you can eat, only $8.99. Slow-smoked in a real pit barbecue for hours and hours until they fall off the bone. With all the potatoes, garlic bread, and coleslaw you can eat, too. All the ribs and chicken you can eat, only $8.99. At Sonny's, we're gonna make you feel good.
And Sonny's has changed quite a bit. Look inside here. Yeah, it is different. Yeah, changed quite a bit. Not like it used to be. And I'm at a place I thought I would never see again. Yeah, I got the 2 meat selection right here. The pick of the pit combos. And I get the smoked pork and the smoked wings with a side of coleslaw and potato salad. But yeah, I didn't know that Sonny's Pit Barbecue was around. This is a nice one. All completely different inside. It's not like you used to see. They don't have the buffet anymore, but this one's a really, really nice one. Serving barbecue since 1968. Got my huge half and half tea. They also have these deals here. The pork 3 ways for $16.99. Then they get the Sonny sampler for $19.99. That looks good too. I've had that before in the past, and it was really good. So they do have the barbecue sandwiches, signature sandwiches. You got salads, desserts, and there's your sides. They do have a bar here to this, so they do serve alcohol. I remember the day when they didn't do that. But I'm going to kind of give you an overview. I'll have their link so you can see their menu. But that looks delicious right there. I always like their garlic bread, but I went ahead and went with the cornbread for this one. And they do have their different signature barbecue sauces here. And let's see, that's the Pitmaster's Choice. This one, I can barely read it, but smoking barbecue. Maybe it's kind of a hot sauce. Then you're going to get your vinegar-based sauces. I don't see any mustard sauce. Salt and pepper, got your ketchup, and then you get extra paper towels in case you get sloppy mess. So Sonny's has a fully loaded bar now. Check that out. Got the big screen TVs, all kinds of different cocktails and beer. Yeah, back in the day, you definitely did not see Sonny's Pit Barbecue with alcohol. Yeah, I had to get some Sonny's Pit Barbecue. I mean, it's been years because they're not in Charlotte anymore. Well, they're kind of on either side. I'm in Rock Hill. Then there's one near Concord Mills. You just don't find them. I love their barbecue. It was quick and fast, and I miss their salad bar. They don't do the salad bar anymore. It was really good too. But I believe you can still buy their sauces here at the store. I think you can also get them online, but they also serve them here. I mean, sell them here. And so yeah, these are really good sauces. Great variety. So the waitress just came by and dropped my food off, and it looks delicious. Look at all that potato salad you get, and that coleslaw. There's your pork. And you get like 4 wings. Then you get your cornbread. Cornbread looks good. Of course, I'm not going to show you stuffing my face with this. Yeah, but I will show you my food review at the end. And the pork is nice and moist too. The flavor is amazing. You get that smoke flavor. So you don't have to put too much sauce on there. You don't want to hide that flavor, but it's really good. And I'm going to put a little bit of that Pitmaster's Choice on my wing. Just a nice little line of it, and that's all I do. I don't like to, put too much of that sauce on there. And I thought it was 4 wings. You only get 3 wings, but they also bring you some ranch along with your wings. And the coleslaw is excellent. You kind of mix it up with your barbecue pork too, but on its own, I like that it's more mayonnaise-y, like a light mayonnaise. It's not vinegary. I'm not a big fan of the real vinegary coleslaw, but I like this. It's like just a touch of the mayonnaise, a little bit of flavoring on there. It's really good. And I love the potato salad. Yeah, the mixture of flavors is really good with the mayonnaise and the different types of spices they put in it. It's really, really good. And the celery mixed with potatoes, a little bit of carrot. Good stuff. Yeah, so I highly recommend it as a side, potato salad and the coleslaw. And look at that cornbread. Yeah, it looks like it's made right here at Sonny's. And I forgot to add that I did finish my plate, as you can see here. No, that's not really my plate, but I did finish it. The barbecue was amazing. Everything was excellent. Now that lunch was delicious. It was really good. So again, there's only 2 Sonny's Pit Barbecues I know still around. It's this one in Rock Hill, and then north side of Charlotte, where Concord Mills is at, is the only other 2. But they used to be everywhere. You could find a Sonny's Pit Barbecue. I miss that place. Coming here. Yeah, I miss coming here, and the barbecue is amazing. I love it. It's very reasonable too. Had a good time, and my waitress was fantastic. The one thing I do miss is the old salad bar. Yeah, their salad bar at Sonny's was amazing. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that little stop by here at Sonny's Pit Barbecue. I am filled up now. All right, guys, you take care. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. More coming. Bye-bye.